Catch the beat, right, left, right, left. So do what feels right for you in this. We're going to march quite wide in this routine, so just check that it feels right for you. Take it wide. So wide might be here, or it might be here, might be lifting the knees nice and high. Make it right for you. I'm going to stay somewhere in the middle. Feet back in. Doesn't look very, it looks very ungainly, this one. Take it wide. Feet into the centre. Well done. Too wide to in, so it goes out, out, in. Make it as wide or as small as you want. So it could be really wide. Add the arms if you can. Don't worry if you can't. Or just make it a small movement. Work with what feels right with your ankles. Marching in. And take it wide, or wider, whatever is right for you. 2 in, 2 out, in and wide. Hold it in. Take it wide. Let's do 2 each side. So tap and step, tap and step. Well done. If it doesn't work for you, if you can't quite get what I'm doing, make it up. As long as your body's comfortable and you're moving, it's all good. Well done. Marching in. Wide. Two in, 2 out. In. Well done. Stay facing me. I'm going to just lift the heels off the floor. So really massage the feet into the floor. Well done. I'll face you now. So keeping doing the same thing. Try and make sure your knees are tracking forward, so you're not sort of taking them across the body or out to the side. Well done. Go a bit faster. Again, your choice if you want to keep it smaller, but the toes stay on the ground. The jogger's walk. Surprising how much hard work this can be. Arms in front. And to the side. Let's take a heel in front. So again, stay facing me. Well done. Really pulling those toes up. Back to that jogger's walk. Pulling the tummy in, keep that head tall. Do what feels right with the arms. I'm just gently bending them, sort of mini bicep curl. Let's do toe taps in front. Just toes this time, point the toe. Really point that toe out in front. Maybe you can point with your finger as well. Do what feels right with the arms. The higher you lift them, the more likely you are to be working the back of your arms. Feel that in the back of the arms too. Well done. Last 4 count, then we're going back to the jogger's walk. Are you ready? Well done. Pulling that belly in. Make sure you've got plenty of room behind you. We're going to keep those feet moving. arm comes over. Just the one arm. I'm just doing the one because I know if I get too close to my wall, I'm going to bash my hand. So you need to turn until you can do that nicely. Circling back, change arms. If you need to make the feet go half time, please do. It's quite hard. If that's too much, you could always take it to shoulders. But we're going to alternate the shoulders. And we're going half time with the knees. Circle, circle, circle. Catch your breath. Well done. Ready for heels out in front. Stay facing me. Really pull those toes up towards your body. Do what feels right with the arms. Relax shoulders. Toe taps. Point. Well done. Just catch the beat. 2 are forward, 2 back. It's a small movement to start with. Well done. Try and keep those feet nice and light. Be aware of your ankles, how they feel. If you want to make it a bit bigger, you can. But do what feels right for you. Remember, you've got to make it right to the end of the workout each time. So it's better to take it gentler if you need to, so that you can get all the way through to the end of the workout. Let's tap and change sides, forward and back. So you should be starting with the left leg forward. Again, don't worry if you aren't, it really doesn't matter. You're moving, that's what's important. Burning a few calories. Well done. I'm going to turn so you can see what I'm doing. And we're going to come forward for 4. 4, 3, 2 with a toe tap. Stay facing me, I'll turn to face you again. Always feels rude not to be facing you. Hold it here. March it a little bit wider. 2 in, 2 out. I'm turning again so you can see what I'm going to do in a moment. We're going to march on the spot, 3 and tap. So 3, 2, 1 and tap. Or knee lift if you can. So you have choices. You can tap the toe, you can knee lift, you can knee lift. I'm going to stay in the middle. Marching on the spot. In a moment we're going to put all of that together. Take it wide. Let's see if we can confuse our brains. I'm marching wide still. Let's take it in. 2 out, 2 in, 2 out, 2 in. You need space to march forward, so if you need to turn with me, please do. If not, stay facing me. So forward, 2, 3, 2 knee lifts, lift, lift, march it back. 2 wide, 2 in, 2 wide, 2 in. So forward, 2, 3, knee lift, back, 2, 3, 2 out, 2 in, 2, 1, 2, 3, knee lift. Well done. Last one. 2 out, 2 in. Hold it here. 2 wide, 2 in. Well done. Catch your breath. Just marching through. Well done. Right, left, right, left. Bring the arms to the side. Bicep curls. We're going to take those toes up, heels in front. Just stay facing me. It's a lot easier to see what I'm doing. I'm really trying to lift those toes up, flex the foot. Side step, bicep curls to the side. Let's march on the spot, normal bicep curls, so here. Very, very little movement, very little work for the arms, but you're burning a few more calories. Just keeping it here, well done. 4, 3, 2. Let's pause it here. Hold it here, just bounce, bend the knees slightly. And we're going to start up on the left leg first, so this side out. Are you ready? 4, 3, 2, marching. Left, right this time. Well done. Take the arms to the bicep curls. Well done. Working your brain slightly, but also changing the lead leg. Heels in front, lifting those toes. Well done. Keep moving. If you want to add a bit of attitude, you can. If you want a little bit of a hop to make it harder, you can. Are you ready to march it through? March it right, left, right even. With a bicep curl. Let's give those arms a little bit of a movement in a moment. Let's pause first. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. This side, yeah? If you haven't got it, try and pause and catch. If you don't get it at all, don't worry, not a problem. Arms to shoulders. I'm off the beat too. Think about pulling your belly in, hold it where you'd like it to be. Just be aware. Lift that head tall. If it hurts your shoulders, if it's too much, you can keep it lower maybe, or leave the arms out altogether. Now let's change those arms out to the side. Take it under, and up, and circle, and circle, other way, circle. Really feel those shoulders working. Way. Side step. Well done. So beginning to bring the heart rate down a little bit now with a gentle movement. Foot across the body. Well done. Just keep it gentle. Those arms relaxed. Let's take it 2 steps. Catch your breath. If you're still feeling a little bit breathless now, please, please, please make it smaller. This is our cool down, getting us nice and relaxed. Have a breath. Well done. Single side steps. Keep it as small as you need to, make it comfortable. Almost on the spot now. Take that foot behind. Hold the right foot back, lift it down and lift, push it down and lift. So if feet are about hip width apart, you should be able to balance nicely. If your feet are too close together, you're going to struggle with this. I'm going to turn so you can see what I'm doing. Let's hold that heel down, lean slightly forward. The front knee is above the ankle, adjust the foot, So it might need to be a little bit further away if you're not feeling a stretch in here in the calf muscle. If that's too tight, bring it here. Relax forward, relax your back, relax your upper body, lean on the leg if you need to. And just hold that stretch. Well done. Let's change sides. Taking the other leg back, lift and lower. Return to the other side. So again, my feet are fairly wide enough to be balanced, lifting up onto the toe, pushing the heel down. Adjust that front leg so that as you straighten the leg, whether it be here or whether it be here, that you're getting that heel just to the floor. Let's hold that there. Well done. Feel the stretch in your calf. Relax the upper body.